She folded her life like origami, made what was large into something so small, bending and creasing her edges until she filled almost no room at all. She'd learnt to always say sorry, that she was a burden for taking up space. So into herself she was folded, locked in her own suffocating embrace. The world tore at all of her edges, once sharp corners had started to fray, now so tiny that nobody noticed, as she slowly began to decay. Reduced to just ashes of moments, the wind swept her up off the floor, and her pieces were scattered in places she'd not dared to inhabit before. As her eyes took in all of the beauty of the world which she'd lived life deprived, she learnt there's no need to say sorry. Taking up space simply means you're alive.